Today for your phonics word study lesson, you recognized and used the suffixes able and ible to form different adjectives. For your practice, you are going to use the words down here at the bottom and decide if you need to add the suffix able or ible to each word or root. Click in the text box to add the correct suffix and then move the newly formed word to the correct column. Let's use the word except right here. I know that except could have the suffix able and become the word acceptable. So I am going to click in the box, add able, and then move that to my correct suffix column. When I get finished with all of those words, I'm going to go to my next slide, which says, now choose 2 words from each column to create sentences using the adjectives that we just created. Use the space below to type your sentence. So I just created the word acceptable, so I am going to click in this text box and use the word acceptable in a sentence. My teacher said it was acceptable to turn my missing work in on Monday. So I'm going to turn my work in on Monday. You will do that for the rest of the sentences and submit on Schoology when complete.